What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from MPC Tunes. Okay, today is going to be a different type of video. I'm going to be unboxing MPC Studio right now, and I've never done unboxing before, so I don't know what is the process like, but just bear with me. I'm so excited because I've been waiting for this MPC Studio for a long time. I was not able to get it because there was no stock available in Malaysia. So what I had to do is I had to buy this from Singapore, and they shipped it to me, and it just arrived today. So I'm so excited to make this video for you guys. I got this MPC Studio for $150, but I think it was on a promotion or something. The actual price is USD $250 at the moment, or maybe they have dropped. I'm not really sure. I didn't check the price. Okay, and the audio quality may not be as good as my previous video because I'm using the camera's audio. All right, so let's open this box right now. I already feel like Dr. Dre or Kanye right now. Akai MPC Studio. I'm gonna open the box now, and this is what we get. A bunch of cables here. Okay, let's open this one and see what kind of cables we get here. Okay, now we have a USB cable. This is USB A, it's not USB-C. Yep. And we have a MIDI cable. A pair of MIDI cable actually. It's cool. And there's warranty, quick guide, manual, and stuff like that. Okay, that's cool. Now let's get the baby out. Okay, so that's MPC Studio, guys. Oh my god, the pad feels so good. Okay, we have the MIDI in and out and the USB port. Okay, the buttons, they feel really good. Okay, I like this encoder, and they have quite a nice feel to it. Okay, and what is this? Okay, I don't know what that is. Let's just remove this one real quick. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how to hook this up and install MPC 2. So let's go. I'm going to hook up my MPC right now using the USB port. Isn't that cool? Alright guys, I'm at the akaipro.com/MPC download page, and I'm going to register my product right now. It says follow the instruction to register your MPC, so I'm going to do exactly that. Okay, I'm going to click on this register your product, date of purchase. Okay, I'm going to be going to InMusic Software Center to install it. Let's go. Okay, it's asking me to connect my MPC Studio. I believe I've already connected it. And I'm going to click on next, and I'm going to go to, okay, I'm going to check on all of these: MPC 2, MPC Studio 2 driver, MPC Studio 2 firmware updater. And I'm going to click on next. I won't be installing them at the moment. Let me just install the software first, because I don't know how big these files are. So I don't want to waste too much of time right now. Let me just uncheck all of it. Alright, so I'm actually downloading now. So you gotta have to wait. Alright guys, so I was having issues trying to install the MPC2 software using the InMusic Software Center. What happened was it was keep downloading the file, but it was not installing it. So I got really frustrated. So what I did was I went to the InMusic site. I logged in with my account. I went to my hardware and I scroll down and I get the MPC2 software installer here, right? So if you're using Mac, you can download it here. If you're using PC, you can download it from here, right? Okay guys, as you can see, I have already fired up my MPC2 software and it's working the way it should be. It's actually very smooth with the way the hardware and the MPC software works. So it's functioning the way it should be functioning, right? So I really like that. And there's no lagginess, there's no latency when I'm trying to press the pad and all that, right? I'm not a finger drummer, however, it feels really good to play these pads, right? And the key pads here, it feels so good. You know, I have tried the micro native instruments Machina micro, and it feels good. Yeah, I really like it, but it's a bit more harder than the one in MPC. So for the price, this feels like it's so good. Okay, so if I start, stop, zoom, right, all of these are, you know, working so well. So there's shift zoom as well, which I can actually zoom vertical and then zoom horizontal. It feels good, guys. So, and the best part is you can actually see it in the screen here about the percentage of my zoom, right? It's really cool. So there's so many things that I can talk about today, but I'm not going to be wasting all of your time. I will be doing that in the next video. You know, not wasting your time, but sharing tips working with MPC. All right. So that's it for today, guys. I'm so excited to play with MPC, and I finally got one after years of waiting to come. So stay tuned for more content.